Hello class 11th students. In the last video we have understood GST's origin. Now let's move further with GST chapter. Now while studying the GST chapter, many students often get confused that what is CGST, SGST, IGST or what is interstate transactions and intrastate transactions. So let's discuss everything in detail. Now GST is a supply based tax. It means that GST is charged when goods and services are supplied by the producer to the consumer. Now, this supply can be within the same state or between different states. Now, when the supply of goods and services happens in the same state, then CGST and SGST is charged. Now, for example, suppose a shop in Lucknow has sold a product to a customer who lives in Lucknow for rupees 10,000 and the GST rate is 18%. Now here, as the supply of goods and services is happening in the same state, CGST and SGST will be collected. It means that 9% of the tax will be collected as CGST by central government and 9% of the tax will be collected by state government as SGST. Now let's move further to IGST. Now when the supply of goods and services happens between different states, it is known as interstate transaction, and at the time of interstate transaction IGST is collected. That means integrated goods and services tax. Now for example, if a shop in Lucknow sells a product of rupees 10,000, GST rate 18%, to any customer who lives in Delhi, this is interstate transaction. Now at time of interstate transaction, IGST collected by the central government and it will later compensate the appropriate share to the shop. So this was all about CGST, SGST and IGST. From the next video we will start with journal entries of GST.